These furnaces are made in the USA and they can be purchased directly through their website as well as on Amazon, but their guarantee is not as good as other brands. They offer vent-free units that can be floor-standing or wall-hung, and they are available in 3 sizes. They have a thermostatically controlled blower to distribute the heat into the room more effectively, and they have an oxygen depletion sensor that will shut the unit off if the oxygen levels in the room get too low. This can happen if there is not enough air being brought in through a window that is cracked open to replace the air that is being used for combustion.